Back in Shiloh, songs!
Just.
We're extreme survivors, and so we do everything extreme. For example, do we wake up to counselors just lightly talking to us? Oh no, how do we wake up? Before breakfast! I did. Do we brush our teeth or do we brush our teeth? We brush our teeth! Our toothbrush. Everyone, what are we doing? Extreme athletics? What? What? So we do some stretches? Like rowing? Extremer. Alright, ping pong. Ready? 3.
Yeah.
Hold on. Now we gotta warm for this next cool down. Alright. At lunch. Do we just use utensils? Oh no, we do not! Oh, do we use utensils? So mad.
Oh my.
Extreme! Oh, is this my scraper? Oh, that's how extreme I am! Alright, in block 3, do we just do normal swimming? No. Oh no, we do some extreme swimming. Alright, ABCs! What are we doing? What are we doing? Plant identification? Yeah. That's a tree. That's a tree. That's a tree. Tree. Some more trees. Tree. That's a lake. Not a plant, but it's a lake. Yep. I probably think I'm wrong. Yeah. Oh, that's a rock. Yeah. Extreme plant. And then, of course, there's obviously our extreme fire starting, which we can do with a snap. Shall I show them?
So do it.
Oh, too extreme.
Too extreme.
Oh, too extreme for the